Hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to teach you about print formatting with strings. The print formatting strings is which is useful for creating dynamic string and dynamic text wherever applicable in programming language. Here is the basic example I am going to discuss with you. Like a first name I am declaring as a variable I have taken as a first that equal to name of the person, like Alice I have taken, and a last name I am declaring as a Mary. These are the two strings I am going to appending and printing with the concatenation, with the help of concatenation. Here I am passing two variables like a first with the help of the appending like arithmetic operator. We can call it as a concatenation, and with the help of last, and one more string I'm going to considering here, that is the information what I want to constant text message what I want to pass over here, like is a software engineer. Here you go. Once we execute this statement, there is no errors at all, and we'll see what is the output of message it will print. Now print the method using and type it as a message. Now here you go. We'll see. Alice Mary is a software engineer as an output, as you have seen here. The output, Alice Mary is a software engineer. That much pretty easy to write Python language. And as you understand about it, if I want to print Mary like a last name is within the braces, like this is the options I want to integrate to the appending method. Like we'll see after first what I am going to do is using the single quotes. It's very pretty much easy, as much as simple. With using single quote and single quote, I'm placing this option over there, and again I am concatenating with the last here, and now here I want to integrate with the symbol of what I want to integrate over here, double quote, and this thing, not this one. All right, that is sufficient. Now see here, at the print of message, last name of Mary will print within the braces. We'll say now execute and see the output how it would be. Alice is the name of the first name, and the second name which is involved with the braces over here, the concatenation help, and dynamically we are going to be printing that parameter value over there. And is a software engineer is in a constant text message we are going to populating here the running text. Likewise, you can beautify all your text messages as well as email templates as well as the invoices, a common parameters which are to require the user who are going to buying the goods, the seller address and buyer address there is a labels or we will prefixedly we define over there, and the dynamic content which are going to be a replacing of the product names and prices and the calculation and the total and some of the amounts. These are all our dynamic parameters. By using such a beautification of a printing formatting statements in the Python, you can have a wonderful ideology to build and develop such things. And one more, there is a very popular string method is there in Python. We will see here like a message. Again, I'm going to printing and using there is an F within the single quotes. Here I am using F. F indicates formatted string prefix in Python language. All right, and when I'm using the like F is a default string like prefix string, and curly braces I'm passing the first, that is the first variable here within the curly braces, and a space and one more curly braces over there here, and last here, and now is simply you can write is a software engineer. All right, that's it. And now you replace with this two ms chat. Yeah, that is a message you're going to take. Now see, as usual and as same as C is written in earlier. There is a no arithmetic operator and the single quotes are very reduced and all the facilities are introduced by using this prefix string, like formatted string. And if we want to the places of this, and simply you can place over here, here you can place the trace is right on this one. And now you can see the print. Just a second. Basis which is required over here. Yeah, formatted string. The last. First I have a given there. And the last I have a given here. And is a software engineer. And there is a that's it. Now see here, Alice Mary is a software engineer. First parameter and variable and second variable here passing and is a software engineer is now static text which is already predefined in the text over there. These are the dynamic and these are the static strings which are all are accumulated and formatted string it is printed over here as our required in the beautification. That much of very easy to write a formatted string in Python language. Hope you understand. Thank you.